Hey guys, I have another video for you today and I'll be talking about PKT. PKT is the world's first bandwidth hard blockchain. What PKT is aiming at is monetizing bandwidth. And just so you know, PKT is a community project, and what they're aiming at is monetizing bandwidth. And what they've done is to create a decentralized mesh network that is censorship resistant. This project has integrated blockchain with internet access. So what they're doing is to decentralize internet access globally. And with this innovative and one in a million and first of its kind, one of a kind project, anyone could be an internet service provider with this project. And this project so far is not listed on big exchanges yet, but in the coming months they'll be listed on big exchanges. And despite the fact that they're not listed on big exchanges, they already have a market cap of over $160 million. This huge market cap is from the Telegram group trading. It's only from the Telegram group trading. So imagine when they are listed on big exchanges, there will be a phenomenal increase. And so guys, this is actually a perfect time to be part of this project. So you could be one of the early beneficiaries of the project. Exactly. So let's take a brief look at what PKT really is all about. Um, PKT network, yeah, the PKT network. PKT is a blockchain enabling anyone to become an internet service provider. Users allocate bandwidth from their local internet connections and build a global decentralized edge network by the people and for the people. So, um, PKT is a native blockchain based on Bitcoin code. It has a 1 minute block time, uses packet creep proof of work, and has a network steward address which receives 20% of every Coinbase payout. There are a total of 6 billion PKT which will be mined, and rather than an abrupt halving of the payouts every 4 years, PKT uses a steady decay of 10% every 100 days. So, that network steward, as I've said, network steward receives 20% of every Coinbase. So the network steward is basically an address which gets 20% of every new block mine so that developers can finance the building of internet infrastructure and mesh network technology. Unlike a pre-mine or founder's fee, the recipient of the network steward payout can be changed by a POS vote. So PKT is paid to packet crypt miners. What really is what's packet crypt really? Okay, the packet crypt protocol PKT is a Bitcoin fork using packet crypt, the world's first bandwidth hard proof of work. PKT is efficiently mined when miners collaborate, and collaboration requires bandwidth and CPU. So let's see what the packet crypt really is and what setting up packet crypt really is all about. So, um, to set up packet crypt, if you are using Windows, you need to install Ubuntu from the App Store. Native Windows support is not yet available. So in order to use Packet Crypt, you'll need a compiler, a live crypto, a live sodium, and a recent version of Node.js. For Node.js, they've recommended using nvm.sh to install. Now, if you're building on Ubuntu, in order to build on Ubuntu, you would need to enable to Universe repository to be able to install auto configuration archive. And once the requirements are installed, get the source code and build it, which are all written here. And for Linux, make sure you have a community repository enabled, which the codes are all there as well. And once the requirements are installed, get the source code and build it. And for the Apple OS X, make sure you have Homebrew installed first. Once the requirements are installed, you get the source code and build it as well. And once you have completed building the packet crypt, you can begin mining. And like I said, PKT is paid to packet crypt miners. So what really is in the whole mining of a thing. So announcement mining. Casual miners use idle CPU time to generate small messages called announcements and broadcasts them to block miners who pay for them. So, um, what's mining PKT all about? In order to begin mining, you would need to set up a wallet and install Packet Crypt. So, Packet Crypt is an algorithm. What Packet Crypt really is an algorithm designed to encourage cooperation between miners and investment into internet infrastructure for high-speed data encryption and decryption. Efficient mining is achieved only if miners communicate between one another and requires bandwidth to be expended in lieu of processor effort. The result is a bandwidth hard proof of work that combines two distinct stages, announcement mining and block mining, which together collectively decentralizes the transmission of data across a distributed global network. So here you could install Packet Crypt by clicking here, and you could also learn more here. So really, what is the announcement mining really all about? First, it's good to know that anybody can mine announcements. The announcement stage is where a miner creates a small message which is one KB in size. This message proves that the miner did some work. Announcements are then collected by block miners to form blocks. Announcement miners seek to maximize the number of successful announcements which can be accepted into a block and need to maximize their bandwidth to achieve the optimal mining results. This in turn assures that the network has a high throughput longitudinally. An announcement by default is the node's network state, but an announcement can be any bit of data. So you can click here to start mining. So for block mining, it is important you know that specialized hardware is required to mine blocks. Block mining is the second stage, and block miners are traditionally miners in the blockchain sense, as they validate the chain and get the payouts. Block miners collect announcements from announcement miners. Block miners get a discount on the difficulty of the work they must do based on the amount of the fresh announcements they collect. So they are incentivized to have lots of announcements in memory at the time of mining to pay announcement miners to keep them supplied. So basically, the announcements mining is the first stage, while the block mining is the second stage. So furthermore, PKT is paid to packet crypt miners. So now, PKT is a native cryptocurrency based on Bitcoin node, making it Lightning Network ready from day one. It is not a token, so there is no centralized issuer and no gas fees at all. So there is no gas fee and there is no centralized issuer, which is awesome, 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 guys. See, a lot of work has gone into the project. This is the PKT roadmap. The whole phase one items are already fully accomplished. The items on phase one are fully accomplished. The packet crypt is created already. Mainnet launch is done already. The CLI wallet already is ready. PKT the cash website is live and running. Electrum wallet is fully functional. GI wallet is also functional, and the community launch has already taken off. The phase two has taken off as well, and the first item on the list is already fully done, which is the route server, which is fully functional now, and the other lists are in a few. The other lists will be fully done as well, and that will make the project have just two phases left to accomplish, which is the scale and innovate phases. So basically, a lot of work has gone into the PKT project, and I can see that the team members are really working hard, and this project is one of the most innovative projects I've seen in a long time. And let's talk quickly about the wallet. There are several options for installing a PKT wallet. Certain wallets are suited for simple transactions, while others are enabled for mining. Mining. The wallets currently supported include a terminal-based command line wallet, the Electron PKT wallet, and the PKT Zulu GUI wallet, which were all created in the first phase. A mobile wallet is also being developed and will be available soon. So guys, make sure you join their community. The PKT community is basically run by the community and is for the community. Just like I said, this project is a community-centric project. The project is basically based on the community. It is run by the community. It is for the community. It is by the community. So this project basically is very secure since it is run by the community and it is for the community. So there is no project that could be more secure than a project that is run by the members of the project. So the more people like you join this project, the more secure it becomes. So make sure you join their community for updates and discussions around how to participate in this ever fast growing network. So guys, that's basically all of it. Make sure you be a part of PKT network, which is fast growing and about to take off to the next stage. Make sure you be a part of it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think about PKT in the comment section. Peace guys.